Good evening, gentlemen and ladies. I'm quite behind on my video. Today we are the 7th of December and I received the letter from Grampie workshop about 2 weeks ago. And so it's time to open that nice letter of his. So I'm gonna use my little envelope knife and I'm going to open it. Yes, here we go. So thank you, Mike, again for your envelope, and I'm gonna open it. Holy smoke! That's a that's a wow. These are nice stickers. Look at that. Holy mackerel. Thank you very much, Mike. Holy smoke! And on this video you can see my comment because Mike went in France with his wife for a couple of years, and he practiced his French, and I practice my French too because I'm on course right now. I'm finishing this week, but it's tough going for me writing in French. So what Mike is saying is thank you very kindly for I send his address, and he's telling me then the exchange is really good, and he really liked my channel, and thank you again, Mike, because you're the one. I remember Joe helped me a lot for everything, but you're the one who encouraged me the most and there's many others too, but Mike was a good thing. Yes, I do some project right now. Most of my projects are on hold, but I do keep try to make a good videos. I'm always I'm on the learning path. All right. Yes, I've got an interesting email, Père Ardua d'Astra. So that's the motto of the Royal Canadian Air Force. Through the adversity, in the sky, through the adversity will win. Basically, you can do your own research on that, but that's what it said. And thank you again, Mike, for your nice letter. So what I've done is I found a cup when I was in Nova Scotia. When I was in Nova Scotia for 10 years, almost 9 years and some months, and I used to drink my coffee in that cup, so I'm gonna show you that. So let's go do that. Woo! All right, so that's the cup. It's a very precious one for me. It's called the Maritime, and it's it's basically inverted. Like basically Nova Scotia is here, New Brunswick, and it's a great sense of humor, and there's a lot of detail in that cup. I don't know if you're gonna see it. So Mike, I'm gonna use that cup. I used to drink my coffee inside, and I kept it, and I'm gonna put it right beside GP Outdoors, and I'm going to like make it like so. That is lovely. So I'm starting to have I'm gonna bring it. So I'm starting to have a nice collection. So there's a head for my Cuttery Garage, and of course, look, from orange is my new green. There's also GP. That's an outstanding channel. They are all outstanding channel. I mean, look, I love his great sense of humor, especially for the wheelbarrow. Ed with his live stream. GP, I mean, he is really great, and the Maritime, and I do not forget Joe from Joe Lesage, still from wood to steel, is also a great one, and with his new excavator. But now, again, thank you very much, Mike, for your great support and the great practice for my read in French. And please, thank you very much again, and have a good one, folks. Cheers.